Metta meditation. So if you would like to bring one hand to heart, one hand to belly, or both hands to your heart, you're welcome to, and you don't have to. Take a moment to notice the gentle rise and fall of the chest and ribs and belly as you breathe normally and naturally. Let yourself relax. What I love about metta meditation is the intentional use of the word may. I'll invite you to repeat after me, whether out loud or in your mind, may I be happy. And it's not saying you have to be happy or you should be happy. It's an invitation, like just a wish of love and kindness. So to yourself, you can say to yourself, may I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at peace. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Now bring to mind someone you love dearly and deeply and unconditionally, whether that's a human or a creature. And again, it's not saying they have to be, it's just a wish, a well wish of loving kindness. And you can repeat after me. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. Now bring to mind someone that you feel neutral about. It could be someone at the grocery store or someone you pass regularly down the hall at work. You don't have feelings of animosity or necessarily feelings of love. Bring them to mind. And let's send a wish of love and kindness to them. You can repeat after me. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. And for this last round, I'll invite you to bring to mind someone that you do have disagreement or conflict with. And with this meditation, it's such a beautiful invitation of, what would they be like if they were happy, healthy, safe, and at peace? So let's send some metta to them. Repeat after me as you visualize them in your mind. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. Let's bring our awareness to an expanded place of if we could take in all of humanity and all of the creatures and send them some metta. All of humanity and all of the creatures. What if we were all happy, healthy, safe, and at peace? Repeat after me. May we all be happy. May we all be healthy. May we all be safe. May we all be at peace. Last round. May we all be happy. May we all be healthy. May we all be safe. May we all be at peace. Bring awareness back to your breath. Invitation to invite some movement to your fingers and toes. Any other movement that would feel nice in your body before you roll over to either side into a fetal position. A moment to acknowledge the time you've carved out of your day for compassion. Compassion is the opposite of harming, of violence. It's an access point. Compassion is an access point to the practice of ahimsa. When you're ready, come up to a seated position. Touch your palms together at the center of your chest, Anjali Mudra. This gesture, this mudra, of invitation, as well as offering. As you move through the rest of your day, I invite you to give yourself compassion as well as offer compassion. That doesn't mean that you become a doormat. It doesn't mean that you roll over, but it is an access point to moving through life without harming further yourself or others. Let's Om together 3 times. Inhale. Thumbs to the middle of your forehead. Let your thumb knuckles give your forehead a massage. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Thank you.